Did you know a simple sneeze could actually break your rib? Sounds crazy, right? But it's true, though it's rare. Sneezing creates a sudden burst of pressure, and if your bones are already weakened by conditions like osteoporosis, that force can be enough to crack a rib. Even young, healthy people have reported rib fractures from violent sneezes, though it usually takes some underlying vulnerability. Most of the time, sneezing just leaves you with a sore chest or pulled muscle, but in extreme cases, it really can snap a rib. So, next time you sneeze, don't worry too much, but maybe say "bless me" a little louder.